Anda masih bersama kami di Jendela Inspirasi dan pastinya tadi kita sudah berbincang bersama dengan dua narasumber yang luar biasa sekali. They were speaking in English and the session we're going still speak in English dan pastinya kalau tadi ada dua orang, kali ini kita bersama dengan tiga orang narasumber yang pastinya juga luar biasa sekali ya. Langsung saja please welcome the first one is Kiavel. Hi Kiavel Aryu Vinaga. Say hi to everybody on the camera. Hi, all the camera. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, how are you?
I am totally very fine.
Oh, really? You're totally very fine. Are you
Yeah.
nervous?
No?
No at all?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for being here.
Oh, okay. You're
Okay.
welcome.
Oh, okay. Dan untuk narasumber kita yang kedua ada Gaitsa Seika Aisyah. Maybe we can say hi to everybody on the camera.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
You're good. You're nervous?
No.
Okay, that's good. Thank you very much for being here. Okay. Dan pastinya yang narasumber ketiga kita juga akan kulik-kulik bersama dengan Miss Izzy. Hello.
Hi everyone.
Hi. Say to everybody, how are you, Miss?
Yes, I'm really good today.
Okay, you're really good. Okay. Hari ini kita kedatangan yang lebih mungil lagi ya, tapi untuk kemampuannya jangan diragukan. Untuk itu kita akan cerita-cerita tentang bagaimana perjalanan mereka sama dengan Dava sebelumnya dan juga Nurul. Kita akan tanya-tanya nih. Oke, maybe your turn first. How about your journey during in Kampung Inggris Bubble and chosen as Duta English Area?
Okay. My answer is actually it's a long story.
Really?
So when I already can speak in English since I am two years old.
2 years old.
But everybody thought I am useless at that time because I cannot do anything except English. Then when I am 6 years old, my mom and my dad left me to Kampung English Bubble.
Ooh.
Then at that time, I meet Mora, but at that time, I don't know what she is doing because she who speak in Bahasa needs to pay. But I don't know at all at that time. Then finally, my dad told me what is Duta English Area. And finally, I understand what Mora was doing at that time. And finally, 225 came. And I thought I'd be selected as Duta, but it turns out Valerie. But I don't cry, I don't yell, I just smile and keep practicing until I reach my dream points. And finally, I be paid!
Yay! Give applause for your journey. That's a great one. Okay, now how about you, Gaitsa? How about your journey?
Same like long.
Oh, really? It's such a long journey.
Yes.
Okay.
Start from me as a child. I really love English. So my mom is says to me, you have to join Kampung English. So I joined it. And after that, I see Maura. Maura is a Duta English at that. And Maura is like, you have to speak English, says to me.
Yeah.
And then after Maura become Duta English, Valerie become the Duta English.
Okay, that's your journey, and then?
And then I see Valerie is speak English every day. So I speak English every day, anytime. And at 2026, I be the Duta English.
Yay, congratulations!
Good.
Also great journey, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now we move to Miss Ichi. Miss Ichi mungkin maybe it's up to you to explain about how this Kampung English Bubble having this program Duta English Area. What is actually Duta English Area?
So basically, Duta English Area is a program from Kampung English Bubble, which is we need someone to influence their friends to stay in speaking in full English. So they will make sure their friends will speak in English every day, and if they speak bahasa like Gaitsa and also Kyafil said before, they will get a charge like 1,000 per one word like that. So we just want to our goals is we have a lot of goals to make this program, and one of them is we just want to make sure they can speak in full English. So Duta English Area is one of the platform to make sure all of the students can speak in full English. Actually.
Okay. So you every day basically speak full in English.
Yeah, we need to speak full in English because I am a Duta.
That's the main point as Duta, right? So how about you, Gaitsa? How do you feel? Why English is important?
English is important because if we go out of the city, like America or British, we can speak English with the people there.
Okay. Have you traveled abroad before?
No, but
Okay.
I want to go there.
Really?
Because I love it.
What is your dream country?
My dream country is Saudi Arabia, but I love to go to British.
Oh, really? Give me high five. Thank you. So how about you? Do you have maybe some countries to travel abroad? You have dream countries?
Yes, of course. Actually, I want to travel to Palestine because I felt bad for Palestine because Israel always get a bomb to destroy Palestine. Because I feel bad for Palestine, I want to help them.
Oh, okay.
So nice.
So that's why English is important, right?
Okay, actually, that's all for my answer.
Oh, give me high five. Thank you. So Miss, sebenarnya yang bergabung di Kampung Inggris Bubble itu sebenarnya range-nya tuh di umur berapa? Kemudian yang mengikuti Duta English Area ini at what range?
Oke, jadi untuk yang bisa bergabung di Kampung English Bubble sendiri, kita mulai dari umur 4 tahun, Kak. Ya, dari umur 4 tahun, jadi sudah banyak sekali ada anak-anak kita yang berumur 4 tahun yang mulai kita latih speakingnya, yang mulai kita latih bagaimana conversation in English. Terus juga untuk menjadi Duta English Area ini sebenarnya tidak ada pautan umur. Makanya tadi ada Nurul dan Dava dari Sungai Liat memang sudah SMA, SMP, dan ada Kyavel dan Gaitsa yang masih kecil-kecil mungil-mungil SD. Jadi kita tidak memandang bagaimana umurnya ataupun range umurnya tidak ada, tapi bagaimana mereka bisa speaking in full English dan juga bisa menginfluence teman-temannya. Dan mereka tetap yang paling kita lihat ini adalah bagaimana mereka bisa konsisten, untuk tetap berbicara dalam full berbahasa Inggris dan juga berani untuk speak up ketika temannya berbicara dalam bahasa Indonesia.
Oke, jadi progresnya sejauh ini semua yang menjadi duta ini sudah full.
Sudah, itu Kak. Memang kali kita pilih untuk anak-anak yang berani dan bisa untuk berbicara dalam full berbahasa Inggris.
Oh, that's nice though. Okay, by the way, what do you think the biggest changes you already felt during joining this Duta English Area? What is the biggest change in your life?
Miss, actually, it means my change, my past until now.
Yes, your improvement.
Okay, my changes now is actually at that time in the past I don't have many confidence because at that time I cannot do anything. But now my change is I have confidence and more braver.
Okay, you're basically like a storyteller, right? Your public speaking is so nice. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, every time you end your statement.
Yeah, because my dad told me.
Oh, really? Your dad? So lovely. Thank you so much. So how about you, Gaitsa? So what is the biggest change you felt after joining Duta English Area?
Before that, I joined Kampung English. And when I joined Kampung English, I really don't know English.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I don't brave and I don't confident. But when Kampung English Bubble hold a competition, I join it and I win. And from that, I always speak English
Yeah.
and I exercise in front of the mirror. And when I've been picked to be the Duta English, I be really brave and really confident because I'm not scared.
Ah, okay. That's lovely journey, right?
Yeah.
So, Miss Itzy, how was support actually from surroundings influence all this Duta English area? How actually Kampung Inggris works to make sure that all those people actually able to speak English and improve English skills?
So basically in Kampung Inggris Bubble, so like I told before,
Yeah.
we always make a rules, make a big rules that everyone that speaks Bahasa, they will get charged 1,000 per one word.
Yeah.
So and also the Duta English area, they will make sure the students that speak Bahasa and also if they speak Bahasa, they will take notes. They will
Okay.
take notes, the name, and after that, they will get charged. So, I mean, like the Duta English area, they work so hard for this program.
Okay. So actually
Can I-
back, yeah?
Can I add, Miss?
Yes, that's okay. Okay, add it.
Actually, like Miss Ischi said, actually, my dad said if I take notes, they who cannot speak in English gonna know I take notes them and report to Mr. Jacob. So I don't. So that's why I never take notes.
Oh.
I just need to know.
Oh.
So that's all for my question.
Ah, okay. Oh, that's so lovely. How about you, Gaitsa? How about you? Is there any additions from what already Miss Itzy told us?
How will you work as a Duta English
Yeah,
area?
yeah.
I think me and Kiafel as a Duta English area have to see if there is the people who speak Bahasa in
Yeah.
Kampung English.
Ah.
But if there is the people who speak Bahasa, we change. Same like Miss Itzy.
Okay.
Can I add again?
Yes, that's totally fine. Go ahead, dear.
Actually, not everyone who speak in Bahasa we charge. But if they speak in Bahasa accident, we don't need to charge. We just need to teach them.
Ah,
To tell
so
them,
sharing together, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, sharing is caring, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
so guys, what is your vision actually after chosen as Duta English area? What is your dream? What is your purpose after this?
After this, I hope every people can speak English.
Okay.
So they not hard to go to out of the city and speak English.
And then we can travel together,
Yes, like
right? So how about you?
Actually, what is? Can you?
Yeah, repeat the questions. Okay, what is your purpose and what is your vision in the future after chosen as Duta English area?
Oh, the future. Okay, the future. I hope everybody can speak English properly, can learn good and very good actually. And actually I really love, and if they still don't understand how is English, I can still teach them.
Ah, still love it, sarangyo, okay? So, Miss, actually, how do you see the role of English in improving our human resource in Bangka Belitung? Because as we know that Bangka Belitung also one of the provinces where all the youth actually maybe at the same time we understand that not all people able speak in English and sometimes assumes that English is something that actually privilege
Yes.
for all of us, right? So how actually do you see this role?
So basically, we believe that English is really important. So that's why we we make this program,
Yeah.
we make this platform
Yeah.
to make sure that, especially in Bangka Belitung, in Bangka Belitung we need to improve our English,
Yeah.
right? Because as you said before, a lot of people in Bangka Belitung, some of them cannot speak English, but actually English is really important. For example, like Dava and Nurul told before, when we want to go to the college, we need English, even though we take another major, something like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
So that's why we make this platform to accept a lot of students and make sure they can speak in English.
Okay.
Actually, even though it's still in basic.
Okay, what are the yes?
Can I add, Miss?
Yes, yeah.
Again, after that.
Actually, I agree with Miss Isti because every student deserves to be teach and be nice. Because if they don't learn, they won't reach their point. But if they learn, they're gonna reach their point and be success of English.
Wow.
You're
Right. Okay. So what?
Can I add?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Of course, because if everyone can speak English, or the kid or children can speak English, all of them in Bangka Belitung.
Yeah.
If their mom and dad cannot speak English, they can teach her mom or his dad.
That's true. Yeah.
So Bangka Belitung is be the most popular city.
Yes, of course. I totally agree about that because one of
I wanna add actually.
Go ahead.
So actually, I very agree with Getsa because Bangka Belitung is how to say in English?
Province?
Yeah, province.
Yeah.
And Pangkal Pinang is our city.
Yeah.
So we have to support our city because it's important. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Yes. Okay. Actually, we have the lessons, and that's why English is important for our province from those kids. Okay. Thank you so much for teach us how important English for our province. We're so proud of you, and we're so glad to meet you. Tapi kita harus jeda terlebih dahulu karena nanti kita akan bertemu dengan teman-teman kita yang lain di segmen ketiga. Untuk itu, jangan kemana-mana. Tetap bersama kami di Jendela Inspirasi.